Hey everyone, Iseng here, and today we're diving deep into a topic that affects millions worldwide: kidney health. Kidneys are your body's silent workhorses. They filter waste, balance nutrients, and help manage blood pressure. But are your daily habits putting these vital organs at risk? In this video, we'll explore 7 common habits that might be harming your kidneys more than you realize. From what you eat to how much you move, it's time to uncover the everyday actions that could be jeopardizing your kidney health. Join me as we learn how to take better care of these crucial organs by quitting some surprisingly harmful habits. Let's get started on this journey to better health together. Consuming too much salt is like throwing sand in the gears of your kidney function. When you overload on salt, your kidneys have to work overtime to filter out excess sodium, leading to increased blood pressure and ultimately strain on these organs. It's not just about avoiding the salt shaker. Many processed foods, canned goods, and restaurant meals are culprits of high sodium content. So what can you do? Start by reading labels and choosing lower sodium options. Incorporate more fresh fruits and vegetables into your diet, as they are naturally low in sodium and high in essential nutrients that support kidney health. Remember, small changes can lead to significant health improvements. Water is the elixir of life, especially for your kidneys. These organs need adequate hydration to function correctly as they filter and cleanse your blood. Dehydration can cause kidney stones and even lead to chronic kidney disease. How much water should you drink? While needs can vary, aiming for about 8 glasses a day is a good rule of thumb. It's not just about drinking water. It's about making it a consistent part of your day. Carry a water bottle, infuse your water with fruits for flavor. And remember, if you're thirsty, you're already dehydrated. Let's make hydration a priority to keep those kidneys running smoothly. Many of us reach for painkillers for quick relief from aches and pains. But did you know these could be silently harming your kidneys? Medications like NSAIDs can reduce blood flow to the kidneys, impairing their function over time. It's crucial to use these medications sparingly and always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new medication regimen. Consider alternative pain management techniques such as physical therapy, acupuncture, or even simple heat therapy. Protecting your kidneys from harmful drugs is an essential step in maintaining long-term health. Protein is a vital part of our diet, but too much of a good thing can be harmful, especially to your kidneys. When you consume more protein than your body needs, your kidneys have to work harder to eliminate the excess, which can lead to kidney stress and damage over time. Aim for a balanced diet that includes a moderate amount of protein. Consult with a dietitian to determine the right amount of protein for your body's needs. Incorporating plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, and tofu can also help ease the burden on your kidneys while providing essential nutrients. Smoking is a major no-no for overall health, and your kidneys are no exception. Chemicals in cigarettes can damage blood vessels, which decreases the flow of blood to the kidneys. This impairment can lead to kidney disease or worsen existing kidney conditions. Quitting smoking isn't easy, but it's a critical step for your kidney health and overall well-being. Seek support through quit smoking programs, counseling, or medications. Your kidneys and your body will thank you for it. High sugar consumption isn't just a risk factor for diabetes. It can also do significant damage to your kidneys. Foods and drinks high in sugar can lead to obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure, all of which put extra strain on your kidneys. Cutting back on sugary snacks, sodas, and desserts can be a significant first step. Opt for natural sugars found in fruits, and consider using alternatives like honey or stevia. Remember, moderation is key in maintaining both your kidney health and overall wellness. A sedentary lifestyle can lead to numerous health issues, including poor kidney health. Regular exercise helps maintain a healthy blood pressure, manage weight, and improve circulation, all of which benefit your kidneys. You don't need to run marathons. Even daily walks, cycling, or swimming can make a significant difference. Make exercise a fun part of your routine by finding activities you enjoy. Your kidneys will benefit from the improved health and vitality that comes with an active lifestyle. We've explored 7 daily habits that could be putting your kidneys at risk, and now it's time to take action. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight, but every small step counts towards a healthier you. Start by incorporating one or two of these tips into your daily routine and gradually build from there. Your kidneys do so much for you. It's time to return the favor. Thanks for joining me on this journey to better kidney health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and insights. Stay healthy and take care.